way from Beijing to the world.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today I got the Soulgoods Nike Dunk High SB 90s. Y'all got all of that? Yes, sir. So I think back in September I first seen the 80s theme. This is the 90s theme. It was supposed to have a 2000 theme. The 80s theme was like gray. The 90s, of course, is here. It got all olive. And I can't remember the 2000. But this 90s pair right here is supposed to mix like Chinese rock with hip hop. So that's why I got like a New York feel. You can't think of hip hop without New York. I'm not being biased. That's just what it is. We got some like hints to Wu-Tang here. So you'll see what I'm saying when we get more into the review. As far as me copping these, I didn't know they were dropping. I just woke up that morning, saw Soulgoods Nike Dunk Highs release at 10 a.m. and I clicked the button and I hit. I'm happy for that. I'm not mad. I'm happy for that. And I like a lot of this. I know Nike Dunk Highs are not the popular dunks, but these are dope, man. I mean, not only do I feel like the sneakers dope, the packaging is crazy. And over here at Sneaker Notes, we love presentation. That kind of gets me like more than the sneaker. That's why I'm still holding on to my Khaled joints. I don't like the Khaled colorway, but the box, the presentation, what Khaled just stands for, that's why I'm still here. And the presentation on this one is crazy. Let's get into it. Unboxing time.
Unboxing time.
Yes, sir. So you got your orange classic Nike box. Y'all remember Dunk did the orange Nike box dunks. That's that bright orange you got here. And then you got a map there. So Soulgoods like theme is called From Beijing to the World. And if you look at this map, the map is going from Beijing to the world. You see the tiger there, Nike swoosh under there. Same logo you got here, but it's not black, it's white. What else we got on this box? They go the classic Nike logo. And they go the same. From Beijing to the world. The color code reads Nike Dunk High SP. I'm guessing the SP stands for special. Medium olive, multicolor, black. Now I don't see the multicolor, but I know the swoosh does something. It looks like it reflects, so that's probably the multicolor look. Flip open the lid. It took a while to open this. So first you got the white tissue paper with the tag on it. Turn this around so y'all can see it better. Then you got your Cincinnati Bengal look, right, on the tissue paper. Another white one. Another white one. Another Cincinnati Bengal one. And finally we get to the shoe.
A few moments later.
And let's start with the left shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Soulgoods 90s SB Dunk High. Now it looked like a simple colorway, but I've seen pictures. If you turn the lights off, it just looks like this. And I think that's dope. We definitely gonna try that out. You know that. But let's get with the swoosh. The swoosh is nubuck suede, just like the rest of the sneaker. And the SP gotta stand for special, because man, that's some special nubuck there. The Jordan's really not giving us that on every pair no more, especially the GR. But underneath that swoosh, you see the reflection. Like you see the silverness, how it will reflect. And that's around the whole swoosh to the back. around to the middle, all over, right? So that olive green all over does kind of look dull, but there's a lot of things in here that fixes that. I love this 90s look shoelace trim. See that? It looks like a 90s sneaker. That's how 90s basketball sneakers used to look. All of them. From the pennies to the foam posits to the Griffies, they all got that look. And that's in black. I like how that's not an olive green also. They put that in black. Right here, there go your Soulgoods logo, the tiger. And it's in the same olive color, but it kind of looks more royalty, more gold. As you see, it looks like it reflects. I like that. I wish they would have gave us probably the Bengals color though. Would have made it pop a little bit more. On your toe box, look at that new buck. Shh. You hear that? They go a mini swoosh. You know I love mini Nike swooshes. That's dope. So that's in black, just like the shoelaces, just like the bottom of the sneaker. The bottom of the sneaker like an all black Air Force One down there. Let's go all the way to the bottom. Bingo. That I know it's an eye. I'm just not sure if it's a tiger eye, but that's dope. That's addition to detailer. Put that at the bottom when you could have just put that here. I like that. Right there. Y'all know every time I do a dunk, I say if you've seen one, you've seen them all. Not this time. That is there. You don't see that all the time. And that's on both shoes, guys. Inside of the sneaker reads from Beijing to the world. It's nice material in here. Luxury. So that price tag, I get it. It looks like an arm and yay in there, man. That diamond look Maybach seat in the inside. The insoles are just white. I'm trying to get y'all, they lace these tight, but it's just white in there, nothing special. But y'all can see how soft your ankle and Achilles is in there. The tongue is not your regular Nike SB mesh nylon tongue. It's more in a soft, does look nylon, but it's definitely a different tongue. Get this to cooperate with me. And it reads Nike, it got the Nike swoosh with the Soulgoods logo up top there. Right shoe here, same thing. Nothing's changed as far as the detailing. I had to loosen these bad boys up so I could do the review for real. So you see the tongue, it has like a camouflage checkerboard look, olive and black. Got the Nike swoosh with the Soulgoods logo. This is dope, this is creative. Usually we get a Nike logo or just someone else's logo. He put both there, I like that. Now we can get on the inside a little more. It's just white, but it is the material, guys. I don't know why they used all the material, the best material for the inside, but comfort wise, I know this sneaker will be comfortable. Just look at the plushness. The inside sneaker, this part is way softer than the outside. It kind of even changes color a little. See, this is a little lighter than that, just like your grandma's couch, man. Yes, sir. So like I told you, I won these on Sneakers app. I think I paid $155, and that's how much they're going for on StockX. No one really knew what this sneaker was. Like, it just came out of nowhere. But people are sleeping on a company, Soulgoods, that's really not popular yet or popping yet. This is dope. I don't think it's only going for resale the same as retail because of how it looks. I think it's because of one, Soulgoods not being popular, and two, it's a dunk high. Like the concept's turkey dunking, right? I had that. I had the full set, the socks, the Nerf, everything, and I held on to it because I knew I wasn't going to wear it. I didn't like the colorway. That sneaker is still right where it was last Thanksgiving. So that's something to think about when you think about dunk highs. Listen, man, if you like it, you cop it. I don't care if it's a high or a low or a mid. If I like the colorway, I like it. And this right here is luxury, guys. Y'all looking at them Armand Minier 4s, this has the same luxury in it. It's just not a Jordan 4. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.